Alright, hello, we are back. And now, the task is going to be taking our Learn OpenGL classes and methods and moving them to a shared library so that we can use them across the projects. Because right now I'm duplicating the code between two projects, and that is unacceptable. So, we've got our new project structured here. First thing we're going to do is set it up. So we've got our folders. We're going to paste in texture 2D to start. And we're going to go grab mesh, model, and shader from over here. Paste. Okay. And pasted those two. Okay, so there's our files. Now we're going to set up our CMake project. Okay, so if, not if. So this check is in place so that the compilation won't occur in the source directory. Otherwise, it'll clutter up everything, and it'll generate probably 50 files right into your source directory, which would be a nightmare hassle to get rid of. So we just make sure that the build script fails immediately if it detects that we're in the source code. Next one. Now, I'm not actually sure why this is necessary, but for any of my projects to compile on Windows, I have to always set the Unicode flag. Okay, so set CMake module path. CMake current source dir. Now we're probably also going to need CPM. So let's go ahead and get that set up, which is the CMake package manager, because C++, as old a language as it is, does not have any package management. A new programming language like Rust has a built-in package manager called Cargo. So CPM is pretty much the industry standard. And CMake is kind of ass, but it's also the best of a bad bunch, honestly. So I'm going to copy this, paste it in. Okay, so this will grab all the files ending with a H or HPP prefix inside of the include directory. and put them in a list called headers. And we're going to do the same for our sources. So we'll create an executable called learn OpenGL demo, and then we'll publicly link it straight to our learn OpenGL library. Oh, I am forgetting something. Inside of the CMake list, I need to include directories. This should be target include directories to be more safe, but this does work for now. Hell. Right. So we need to go get glad for one. We'll do that shortly, but what I'm wondering is texture. I'm going to rename this to specifically be a texture handle because that's what it is, whereas the texture 2D is an actual texture object that contains the data, or it should. Wait, no, it's not. Okay, hold on then. In that case, I will just move these over. So back to our CMake list. There we go. So now next is glad. This gets the API for glad and brings it into our code. Then we can target make libraries. Okay, now we have glad. Okay, so we need SMP as well now. Righto. So we can cpm to add another package. Okay, that works. Now can we run the program? Right. So why can you not include glad and glue together? Okay, so once again, what header can I find GL? Line vertex array in. I'm a bit confused here. 2D. Moment of truth now. If we get this working, I'll be very happy. Undefined reference to all these things. Damn. You'd have to cut the video short here.